So if we're going to try to divide this up into exactly 2 halves, and we're going to do it with the line y equals k, we know y equals k is some kind of horizontal line. If they had said x equals k, then it would be vertical. But since they say it's horizontal, we know we're looking at a horizontal line, and the only way we can equate these two is to have horizontal area, or horizontal rectangles. So that means 27 over 2 is our total area. If we multiply that by a half, 27 over 4 would equal either half of the integral. So I'm going to deal with the bottom half, which just means we're going from x on the right to x on the left. That area times dy from my lower limit of 0 to my upper limit of wherever they stop, and we don't know where that is, but we know it's k. So we'll say that's k. This is going to be my equation. Now I just have to turn it into x right and x left. We already had these solved. X on the left was equal to y squared. And x on the right, I believe, if this was y equals x minus 6, that would be x equals y plus 6. So we would have the integral from 0 to k of our right curve, y plus 6, minus y squared dy. That would be an integral involving one or more integrals that when solved would give us k. Of course, there's other options. We could go from 0 to k and have this integral equal from k to 3. Both of these would be y plus 6 minus y squared, y plus 6 minus y squared. Either is fine. That's how we would solve a problem like this.